When you think of the holidays, you cannot forget about those candied yams. And this recipe is super easy and not completely smothered with marshmallows. Let me show you how to make it. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making one of my favorite holiday side dishes, candied yams. Are they yams? Are they sweet potatoes? It really doesn't make a difference. But today for all intents and purposes, we are using sweet potatoes because they were easier to find at the store, and you may find that you're running into that same issue. So to make your candied yams / sweet potatoes, you're going to need some yams or sweet potatoes. I like to peel them and then cut them into about 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch thick. They're gonna cook up better and absorb that sugary syrup a little bit better. And then the rest of the ingredients you're gonna be able to find in your pantry. So we have some butter and marshmallows and sugar, some pecans, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg, salt, and orange juice. To start your candied yams, you're going to take a baking dish and coat it with cooking spray. It's gonna save you a headache later. And then we're just going to arrange the yams in this baking dish. I like to stand them up on their end, just like that, so the syrup gets deep down into the nooks and crannies. All right, so now that that's done, we're just going to move over to the stovetop and take all of the ingredients to make the sugar syrup before we pour it over top. So to start your sugar syrup mixture, you're just going to heat a small saucepan over medium-high heat and add the butter to the pan. Once the butter's melted, you're going to stir in the sugar, the cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, salt, and the orange juice. Bring the mixture to a boil, and then as soon as it starts boiling, remove from the heat. And just give it a quick stir to combine. And then we'll move back to the island. All right, our syrup is done. So now we're just going to pour it over the sweet potatoes or yams, whatever you're using. And you wanna just kind of make sure you're coating them pretty well. And then it'll work itself down into the crevices while it's baking. So you can move your potatoes around a little bit, but I promise you when you put this in the oven and everything gets like really hot, it's going to melt down in there and spread around in between your potatoes. So cover this with foil, and we're gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Once you hit the 30-minute mark, you're going to uncover it and cook for an additional 30 minutes. Once the cooking is done, you're going to sprinkle with the nuts and the marshmallows and just leave it in the oven for about 5 minutes until your marshmallows turn golden brown, and your pecans or walnuts or whatever you're using, you'll be able to smell them. It'll be like aromatic. So we're gonna pop this in the oven and then we can try it out. All right, our candied yams are now done. So I obviously have to go in and taste them. And they're soft and tender. So much syrup in there. Oh. The marshmallows are like perfectly cooked. I'm sorry, Grandma, but nobody likes your candied yams that are covered in marshmallows. They are amazing. It's almost like dessert. So, so good. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.